Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're here at Crypto.com, DeFi wallet, and we're here with the first offering from VVS Finance, the IGO initial gen offering for single. Now, I'm down a bunch of money in this account. I put, I don't know, close to 900 bucks in here, but looks like we're still down. So let's see if we can get something out of this single offering. So, requirements are 10 million VVS staked. All right, got it. Check. Looks like they're already at their max, over their max of the offering. We'll see if I can get anything. And I added liquidity yesterday. So let's see if I can convert that over. Now, I think overnight we might have had a decrease in value of this because I had over $150 or so in liquidity, I thought. So, this is not working out. Hold on. Looks like we're trying to get in. Wow. Only 50 bucks? It says that I don't have a sufficient balance? This doesn't sound right. Guess I have to go back and look exactly what kind of liquidity I added. I added last night, 17 hours in advance, I added another $100 to my liquidity stake, so I should have about 200 bucks or a little over. So let's go check that out. Let's look at the farm. Make sure we're okay. Yep, okay, we're good here. Okay, in the... Wait, 50 bucks? Wait, what happened? Hold on. Okay, there's $100. 107.19. Okay, good. That's what I thought. I was pretty sure I had over 100 bucks. And then I added another 100 last night, so I should have close to 200 bucks in here for liquidity. Let me see. I don't know if I need to add liquidity to this to make this work. Like I said before, I had some more LP that I can stake. Or do I need to unstake what I have? I don't know. Hopefully this is going to help you guys get through this a little bit easier. You can see my mistakes. Don't do that. So, okay. So anyway, I'm adding liquidity. The 100 bucks or so I added last night. I'm staking. So, okay, awesome. All right, so $153. Okay. Should be close to 200, I thought, but maybe not. All right, now let's go back here into the offering and commit LP tokens. All right. And it says I don't have any. Wait a second. So it looks like you are supposed to unstake from the farm in order to add it to the coin offering. Okay, now I get it. So, okay, I think we're going to be okay here. What we need to do is unstake all this that I just added. Okay, fine. Okay, VVS earned 10. Okay, whatever. Let's just unstake everything. Let's go with that. And it's going to cost more CRO. Man, everything you do here costs this. CRO you to death. CRO for this, CRO for that. CRO to stake, CRO to unstake. I think I just spent a few CRO just playing around here. Alright, well, anyway. Now, we harvested everything and we've unstaked from the farm here. Let's go back to the IGO and see if we can get this liquidity into the offering Okay, we're not doing this one. It caused a little fee, but I don't know, it might be cheaper, who knows. Alright, let's take a look. Alright, here we go. Now we're good. So 50% is $100. Awesome. I like that. 100%, 200, 150. Okay. Well, I guess just try to get as much as we can because, I mean, VVS is not doing well. Let's hope the single token does well. Another fee. Great. That's awesome. Alright, well, this token better take off like hotcakes because I'm already down a bunch of money here. I put almost $900 into this thing. And now I'm might receive 1,071 singles. We'll see how that works out. So once this is over, I'll come back and try to claim my coins. And we'll see what happens because we are so far over 280% of 500%. So it might work. We'll see. All right, total committed is 700K. Wow, that's pretty decent. It's not a bad run for a day. A lot of prep going into it, but we'll see what happens. Let's hope it fares better than VVS does. All right, I don't think I have anything left here, so I think I only have $50 left that I could do. I'll make a decision later on if I want to add to this before the end of the expiration of the offering, which we'll see. I think we're good for now. What do you guys think? You guys doing this? Hopefully you guys learned something from this and see the process. Bottom line, you need to have free liquidity, not staked in anything. And you need to pair it up, VVS CRO pairing, to get the LP tokens. Alright. So, now I'm down to $350 from like 800 or 900. That's horrible. Alright guys, well, let's hope VVS is in its infancy and it's gonna skyrocket like Shiba Inu did. And we'll all become millionaires. Be sure to subscribe for more updates.